All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about dictionary. So dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Dictionary items are unordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates and are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. So with that, let's jump into our Python notebook and create a dictionary notebook and then take a look at this. All right, so we're inside of our Python notebook and you can see we have 30 notebooks. I want to create another notebook and we're going to call this dictionaries. So what I want to do is I want to grab my mouse here, if it works, and we're going to type in, we're first going to do new Python 3, and we're going to label this 31, okay? And we're going to label this dictionaries, okay? All right, there we go. So we've labeled this dictionaries, and now what I want to do is talk about dictionaries, okay? So with dictionaries, it's an interesting concept because dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. So when I think of dictionaries and I equate it to JavaScript, which is what I learned first, this reminds me a lot of arrays because arrays are basically written out the same way as this, okay? Now this is a variation, obviously, because Python is a different language than JavaScript for sure, but that's the distinction that I came, the conclusion that I came to when I started learning Python years ago, that the correlation was arrays, okay? So to create and print a dictionary, let's do this. Our dictionary, so we're gonna do our dict, okay, will equal, and we're gonna use curly brackets. I'm going to hit return and we're going to do quotes. So we'll do company, colon, and we're going to do Apple. Okay. We'll do model, colon, let's do iMac. And then year, let's do 2020. Okay, now when you look at when we print this, print our dictionary, okay? When I run that, what happens? We get an invalid syntax, okay? So, and I know why, because I don't have a comma. And this is a problem I had with arrays. There we go. So we have company, Apple, model, iMac, year, 2020. Okay, so that's our very first dictionary that we've written in Python, okay? Now we have dictionary items. So dictionary items are unordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name, okay? So what I want to do is we're going to copy this code here, and we're going to paste it down here, and the only thing I want to change is right here, we're going to add brackets, and we're going to do brand. And actually, we'll do model. Let's do company. Okay? So we'll do company. I'll run that. And what happens? Apple. So what we're doing is we're distinctly selecting the part of the dictionary that we want to display. Okay? So I'm targeting the company value. I'm saying, look, grab the key or value, the value and the key, grab the key, company, and display the value, okay? And the value is Apple, okay? So if I were to do that with model, what would I get? I would get iMac. If I were to do that with year, what would I get? I would get year, 2020, okay? So that's how you do it. Now I'm going to take it back to company, just so we have it on the one that we're using. But again, it distinctly points out the data that we're looking for. So you can filter out data the way that you need to. Unordered. So when we say the dictionaries are unordered, it means that the items do not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. Okay? Changeable. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Duplicates are not allowed. Okay? Dictionary length. To determine how many items a dictionary has, use the length function. So if I were to do that here, if we do print length our dictionary, right? And then I run that, we have 3 items in our dictionary, okay? There you go. Now, if there's 300, you would know that, okay? Dictionary items, data types. The values in the dictionary items can be of any data type. So you can use a string, integer, Boolean, and list data types, okay? So I'm not going to do that example, but you get the idea that you can use strings, integers, Booleans, and list data types. And the reason for that is because, and we'll do an example real quick. So I'm going to copy all this real quick. We'll paste that in. And what I'm going to do is we'll keep company and Apple. We'll keep model, but we'll do false instead of iMac. Okay. And then we'll do year. Instead of in quotes as a string, we'll do 2020. Okay. And then I'll do competition. Let's do brand, right? And we'll do colon and then brackets. And I'll do red, blue, and white, okay? Okay, and then we'll close it there. Now you can print this, and let's just print our dictionary, okay? And when I run that, what happens? Company, Apple, model, false, year 2020, brand, red, blue, and white, okay? And then let's finish this video talking about all the different Python collections, okay, arrays. There are 4 collection data types in the Python programming language. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allows duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed and no duplicate members. Dictionary, which we're covering right now, is a collection which is unordered and changeable, no duplicate members. Okay? So that is an overview of dictionaries. I will see you in the next video.